Sylvia Earle once said, "With every drop of water you drink, every breath you take, you are connected to the sea." Here in Lokahi Makai, we want to create content and promote activities that educate and inspire individuals to reduce the use of single-use plastics affecting our ocean. Around 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by oceans, full with life and color, pure richness, and unknown mysteries lurking at the bottom of the sea. The oceans are massive, pulsing, vibrant bodies of water that serve humanity in countless ways. However, our oceans are slowly dying. Each year, human activity erodes marine life in some way. Overfishing is driving many fish populations to the brink of extinction. Carbon emissions are acidifying the waters, making it hard for small sea animals to reproduce. Rising global temperatures are cooking coral reefs alive. Plastic is the most common element that is found in the ocean. About 8 million metric tons of plastic are thrown into the ocean annually. Billions of pounds of plastic can be found swirling in the oceans. They make up 40% of the world's ocean surfaces. 80% of the pollution enters the ocean from the land. Many marine organisms can't distinguish common plastic items from food. Animals who eat plastic often starve because they can't digest the plastic and it fills their stomachs, preventing them from eating real food. The amount of plastic in the ocean is set to increase 10 times more by the year 2020. By the year 2050, there will be more plastic in the ocean than there are fish. The health of our oceans are slowly wilting away. We got our hands tied. It's a matter of life or death. Save them now or leave them to die. We need a desperate change, and we need it now. That's why Lokahi Makai was created, to set off a spark of change, to produce a ripple in our oceans. And this is what we did to help. Firstly, we set off to 2 different beaches, Campere Antoni and Calamayor, with a mission of cleaning up all the waste that was laid up on the beach. And just within an hour, this is what we collected.
In our beds, we can glide over the oceans, and we can hover across the clouds, where ghosts aren't allowed.
After the beach cleanups, we wanted to do something useful with the plastics that we found, and not just throw them away. So, we decided to do something artistic with it. So, we're making a mosaic with the plastics that we collected.
I can see right through you, 'cause you're a ghost, a spooky ghost.
The mosaic hasn't been finished yet, but once we finish, we will post it on our social medias for all of the world to see. Lastly, we had our fellow Key Stage 3 students present a debate relating to our campaign. We had 2 teams, one against and one for, to battle out the motion, which was if the use of disposable plastics is destroying the nature around us. The team against the motion won the debate, which was decided by the duo of judges. Later that day, we presented our progress to our fellow students, making them aware of the current state of our seas and our role of saving them. Unity is strength. When there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved. Individually, we are a drop of water, but together, we're an ocean. Together,
we are Lokahi Makai.
So live your life. You steady chasing that big car, just live your life. Ain't got no time for no haters, just live your life. Don't tell them where it'll take ya, just live your life.
The bed sheets over our heads, we'll be spooky ghosts together in our beds. In our beds. Let's put the bed sheets over our heads. We'll be spooky ghosts together in our beds. In our